So it's virtually like raining today, and it's getting hotter. What's that over there? Yeah, it's getting hotter. There's water on top of the tank, glazed with water. It's really hard to see the rain. You virtually can't really see it unless it's really pouring. I was looking at this. This is a towel we used to use as a beach towel in the 1980s. And so it's lasted all these years ever since we were like young kids. I'm like, I just think it's really cute. So I just turn the thing around. It used to be like one of my favorite towels virtually. Ooh, a parrot. Good luck you getting seeds today, parrot. Right. The bottom one's the best one actually to get seeds because the water goes through it really easily. And it might be protected by the upper log, so so cute.